Hi everyone, it's Gail here with a little bonus video today. My little short ones are just little bonus videos. So this one, well, I don't know how short it'll be, but this one is Piles Paragraphs Tag of the Month. And the pieces this time are absolutely gorgeous. I'm real excited. Lori made this wonderful tag here. And so I am going to get to work and see what I can do. I don't know. We'll see. So excited. This is really some, I love the colors of this, Lori. I love the photo. I don't know what I'm going to do, but it's going to be fun, whatever it is. So we're just going to get started. I have actually, I have 4 videos that I'd like to do today, but I don't know if I'm going to get them all done. One is a Patreon video, and then I have this one. I have an Etsy share, which maybe I'll schedule for tomorrow. And I need to do a YouTube video, one of my regular ones, because I had a brilliant idea last night. You know how I am. So yeah. So when that video airs, you'll know, because I'll say I had a brilliant idea. Sometimes I feel like right when you wake up and you're sort of in that in between awake and asleep, that is a great time for good ideas. All right, I have to turn over Lori's because, yeah, I need to just come up with my own thing here. Okay, so what do we think? Ooh. Okay, I'm just going to dive in, guys, which is what I usually do with Lori's. So, I hope everybody is having a great day. This will air on Sunday. It's Sunday here, and I hope you're having a good Sunday. Yeah, I'm hoping to get all my stuff done and hang out with my husband this afternoon and watch football, because, you know, it's fun to do that on the weekends. There isn't football except at couple of nights a week, and I do enjoy it. It's fun. Okay, I think I'm going to tear this in half. And then I am going to cut it to fit. This is a great kit. I'm excited about it, you guys. I saw Lori's tag posted, I guess, on Instagram, maybe. I was like, ooh, I'm excited for that one. So now oh gosh, I took a hunk out of my glue. Whoopsie. We'll try and put that back. It doesn't go back nearly as easy as it comes out. Okay. All right, so then up here, I might do that. I'll do a little around it too. Good, I can use up my glob of glue. Oh, geez. Yep, this piece of paper's not going anywhere. Okay. Nearly the perfect size for right there. Okay, and then this is so pretty too. I think I'm gonna wait on that though. I'm gonna cheat a little bit and use one piece from my own stash. I think I'm gonna use this doily. So just maybe give it a cut right about here. So we're having a very windy day today here. Oh my goodness. And I guess for several days we're going to have windiness happening. And maybe even some rain, which is always good. We're always happy for that. Okay. Right up to that edge. Okay. Now, with this, so I kind of want to put that on that. Kind of covering up all the green, aren't I? I really do try hard not to think too much with these. Just try and, you know, get things down in a somewhat pleasing manner. Okay. I think I'm going to put that down at the bottom. Oh, there's my glob of glue. It's still hanging out. Okay, I'm going to stick this down in this corner. On this, I'm going to cut it flush to the picture here. Little skinny bit on this side. I can get it though. There we go. Okay, so that's all garbage. Let me give this a little bit. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do something like that, I think. Or do I want to go like that? I think I like it the other way. Okay, let's give you a bit. Okay, another thought. Do I want, nope. Okay. Just gonna put that down there. Like right about there. Okay, and I think I need a new page. We've had a lot of smoke in our air, so I'm sorry if I'm clearing my throat a lot. I think I think actually a few days ago when I wasn't feeling well, I think it was from the smoke. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now, Mr. Butterfly. I kind of like that. And this guy, I'm just going to put him over here and, oh, I broke him. It's all right. He'll glue. Sorry, dude. Okay, I want the pattern kind of out like that. And this little guy, I'm so sorry. Can't have felt good. Okay. That guy doesn't show up super well. I wonder if I can get him off of there. He's gonna end up in several pieces if I don't be careful. Okay, I'm wondering. No. You know what I think? Hold on. In one of my ephemera holders here, I have some butterflies like that, and I'm thinking, would I have something that I could layer? Oh, it's going to be the last one I look in, of course. Yep, I think. Yep, there it is. Okay, what do I have? See, I'm thinking if I could put something a little darker behind it. Like, kind of like that. How about this one? Gosh, that goes perfectly. Okay, we're going to go with him. These little ephemera pouches come from Hobby Lobby. I always get asked every time I bring one out. I get asked, so there you go. Hobby Lobby it is. Okay, so maybe what I'll do, yeah, I think I'm going to put it on top. Okay, I have a plan. Ah, he came all the way apart. Okay, dude, you are just bound and determined not to stay together. But I think I can fix him. There we go. Oops, didn't get enough on there. Okay, so then I'm going to just use a little of this guy. Oh, see, broke him too. They don't like being glue sticked, I can tell you that. Okay, so I'm just going to offset this one from that one slightly. Like that. Okay. Okay, and then I am going to take this little bit of lace and bit of ribbon and get them together a little bit. and put them right on top with my Tim Holtz tiny attacher. And there we have the October tag of the month. There it is. Yay! We got her done, Lori. Thank you so much, Lori. And I will put Piles of Paragraphs link in the description box below. Thanks for joining me to make this little tag, and we'll just see you next time. Have a grateful day. Bye, everyone.